And here we are. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a little bit on the microscope, and I'm going to show you how to make a cheek mount so that you can actually see your own cells in the microscope. You're going to do that under low power, which is this red one, medium power, which has the yellow, and high power, which has the blue. You can also tell by the size of each one, which one is the weakest, which one is in the middle, and which one is the strongest. All right, so using the microscope, we are going to want to take a look at our cheek cell. So let me show you how we're going to do that. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure to get the right slide. If you pick up a slide and it has something on it, that's wrong. This one is a prepared slide. This is not what we need. What you want is you want an empty slide. All the tables have these. And this is going to be an empty glass slide that has nothing glued to the middle of it. All right. So from here, we're going to do a very simple wet mount. You're going to take one of the toothpicks that is sitting on your table. And what you want to do is you're going to rub this along the inside of your cheek, inside your mouth place. And you don't need to don't crank it up and down along like the epithelial cells on the inside. We just need gentle, just small movements. So basically, there we go. That's going to be enough. You're going to want to take your iodine. It says Lugol's on it. It's a brownish liquid. It is the only beaker of chemicals that I have at each table. Should look something kind of like this. Put a drop on your slide. It's not going to be much. A drop is just a little tiny bubble. Then you're going to take the end that you just swished around on the inside of your cheek, and you're just going to kind of stir it around on the iodine. So I'll hold it up so that everybody can see. Just stir it around. You just want to make sure that you kind of get those cells that you just loosened from your own mouth onto the glass. This is now garbage. Make sure it finds the right place. Then you're going to want to take a cover slip. This is only to protect the microscope from the sample. Cover slips are small, square pieces of plastic that are sitting on each of the lab stations with the extra slides. You're going to take this and you're going to set it down so that it covers up the iodine. So now what you should have is a slide with that discoloration in there. And that's what lets you know that the iodine is secure. Notice, won't fall off. And now you want to take a look at that under low, medium, and high power. Now, what you're going to see under low power is going to be relatively minor. In that circle, you're just going to see little things. It's going to be very hard to make out any kind of detail on it. One thing to watch out for is if the little things you're looking at are dark brown or black in color, then that's not cells, that's food. You clearly didn't brush after breakfast or dinner maybe. Now, once you go up to medium power, these are going to get a little bit bigger. And you're going to be able to see more detail. Namely, what we want to look for is they should be like a light yellow gold. And what we want to look for is we want to look for a nucleus, which would be a very faint shape on the inside of each one. And I realize that you guys probably can't see that too well. It'll look kind of like a bullseye, just like this little piece on the inside that's a little bit darker than the rest of the cell is. Now, once you go into high power, now under high power, these will be much larger. And the nucleus should then be quite visible. And these are your cells, living, functioning cells, the stuff that makes up your entire body, all 30 billion cells that make you up. These will be just a few of the examples. And that's kind of cool. Inside the nucleus, in coming units, we'll see the stuff that's there and how it works. We'll be able to identify all the different things inside each one of these cells that allow it to function. So try to remember this. Get your pictures down for low, medium, and high power. And I hope this has been helpful. I'll see everybody on Thursday. Until then, be good, be kind, be nice. People need that right now.